Hi, my name is James May. I'm a college professor, but I prefer the term edutainer. We can probably agree that learners today are not necessarily the same as they have been in the past. Of course, growing up in a world with 120 TV channels, smart devices, Facebook, YouTube, and more, why would we expect them to be? All over the country, teachers like me help students attain the academic reading, writing, and math skills necessary to be successful in college classrooms. In large part, this is done using a 14th century model of learning and very expensive textbooks. Now, I happen to teach English and know that run-on sentences haven't changed much in my lifetime. In fact, that book is my high school textbook. The rules haven't changed. And last I checked, neither had the Pythagorean theorem. So why are students asked to buy new books every year? At my college, we are currently working on a Creative Commons licensed developmental text that will be given freely to anyone who wants to use it. Oh yeah, and we're using engaging TED Talks as the spark to motivate students because when it comes down to it, TED reads, writes, and solves equations.